At SecureScan, we make document scanning easy. First, we'll arrive at your location to pick up your documents, packing them for you if needed. We take a detailed inventory to ensure every document is tracked and accounted for throughout the scanning process. Next, your documents are transported directly to our scanning facility by the same team who picked them up, handled with care from start to finish. Once your documents arrive at our facility, we inspect the delivery against our initial inventory and record the transfer of documents in order to maintain a secure and well-documented chain of custody. Our processing team will then prepare your documents, removing staples, paperclips, and creases that could interfere with the scanning process. Next, your documents are scanned with one of our high-resolution commercial scanners to ensure optimal quality and readability of your digital copies. Quality control will review every scan individually to ensure that your documents have been accurately reproduced. Any images that fail to meet our high-quality standards are rescanned. Important identifiers like IDs, names, or invoice numbers will be extracted from your documents through a combination of OCR and manual data entry, enabling text search functionality. Once the digitization process is complete, we will deliver your digital files via secure FTP, encrypted USB drive, or upload them directly into an existing document management system in the digital format of your choice. Depending on your needs, your original paper documents can be repackaged and returned to you, or securely destroyed with our NAID AAA certified document shredding service.